In the last video, we dined in one of the oldest fast food restaurant here in Angeles. But it's actually not the oldest.
Bro had said that, aliwan naman ang Otis ang oldest. Coolspot ya, ang oldest. Kahit ang Kanto Mabini Street man ang Chinese Sleeping School.
Just a couple hundred meters away from the market, inside that street. Looks a bit sketchy. Is this actually a fast food place?
Let's find out if this is the oldest fast food in town or if it's still waiting to be discovered.
Guess there's only one way to find out. Okay. Hey everyone, I'm Somebody and we are still here in Angeles City, Pampanga. And thanks to your comment, we've been brought here and this might be the real deal this time. The oldest fast food restaurant that has opened here in Pampanga. If it's still not, just comment down below and we'll go there in no time. From the look of it outside, yeah, it seems a little bit old and then it doesn't have a protruding sign saying that this is actually a restaurant. But here we are at Coolspot. This place is just a block away from where we dined in the last video. Whoa. So immediately as I step inside, I'm invited by this smell, the smell of old furniture. And then this restaurant gives out a rustic vibe. It seems like it's been frozen in time. From the old frames on the wall to the menu that seems like it hasn't been changed since this restaurant has opened, to the textured walls and the ceiling with exposed wirings. Wow, it's really, really nice. Alright, let's order some food. And this is their counter. As soon as you walk inside the restaurant, you're greeted by this counter. And then I don't think that they got sandwiches right now because there's actually no price tag on the menu. But we do have halo-halo, palabok, baked macaroni, dinuguan, some chocolate and chiffon cake. I think that's only it. It's pretty sad to see that they don't get any of the sandwiches left. But let's just order everything that they got on the menu now. So here we got our baked macaroni, some dinuguan, some palabok. Yeah, I'm excited for the palabok. Some halo-halo, chocolate cake, and then chiffon cake. And then everything costs 453 pesos. So it's pretty decent. Oh, so I'm very excited about this palabok. It looks pretty promising. So let's mix this palabok up. And then let's squeeze some calamansi. So before I try this palabok, I just want to say that, you know, it feels a little bit sad knowing that this place or this restaurant was once a go-to spot for families and friends where you will bring everyone here together. But as times has changed, people prefer mega fast food chains right now or the fancy restaurants and cafes. But what amazes me though is that this restaurant still stands strong until today. I think thanks to some of the old customers that keep on coming back just to try the old recipes. So let's try this palabok. Wow. Oh, this palabok. It's simple palabok, but yeah, it's good palabok. It's the right palabok. Pretty good. Palabok is one of my favorite Filipino pancit or Filipino noodle. And then you can see there's bits of pork inside. You got an egg, half an egg. We got half an egg, and then some celery and some spring onions. And then you can really taste the meatiness in this palabok. Usually I taste shrimpiness in the palabok, but this palabok gives a rich pork meatiness. So yeah, pretty good. I like it. Next up, I want to try their dinuguan. They didn't give me a rice or something to pair this with up. So let's just try this dinuguan. So here inside the dinuguan is actually stewed pork blood. So there's some bits of pork inside, some coagulated blood, and then the blood stew itself. So let's try this one. Whoa. Alright, balance of sourness and the blood is wow. Mm. Very very soft blood, and then it is not dry. Most ginuguan or the blood cubes that you can try outside are dried. I think because it's too wet in high heat. This one, you can really taste that the pork blood is subtle and soft in texture. Very nice. I would enjoy this more if I have a plate of rice right now. And then next let's try the baked macaroni. So baked macaroni, as simple as it is, it's just macaroni with some bechamel sauce on top. So let's give this a shot. This one, not that flavorful of a baked macaroni. It's pretty mild. This is just alright. Next, let's try the halo-halo. So they serve it in this paper cup. Let's mix this halo-halo up first. We got a huge piece of flan on top. The flan doesn't look as promising as it is. It is, there's some bubbles, what do you call that? Don't think it's that smooth. Let's try the flan first. Yeah, it's not that smooth. Let's mix it up. It's the halo-halo. Oh, wait. There's actually corn inside. There's actually pieces of corn inside the halo-halo. So that's the first time. There's corn. I think there's also, again, I think this is saba or the plantain. Yeah, we got some plantain. I think this is sugared plantain. Right, let's try this halo-halo. It's a little bit melted already. Not that sweet, which is a very good sign. Oh, I really enjoyed the corn flavor inside this halo-halo. I think they also put some corn juice inside, and then yeah, very refreshing for a hot day here in the Philippines. And then, even though if you're gonna see that there's air conditioning inside, they didn't turn it on. I think that's because there's not much customers going in, so you're saving up on some electricity. But yeah. A friend of mine actually said that he used to eat here most of the time, and then his favorite food, one of his favorite food here is the chocolate cake, or a must-to order in this restaurant. So yeah, this is the chocolate cake. It is pretty fluffy and bouncy. And then let's try it out. This is a chiffon cake, by the way. Chocolate chiffon cake. Wow. Pretty good. Very soft chiffon cake. And then the chocolate icing outside. It's a very, all this. I haven't tried this kind of icing for a very very long time already. It really does brings me back to the past. Wow. Very nice. And then aside from the chocolate chiffon cake, they also got the regular chiffon cake. So there's some grated cheese on top, and then I think it's smothered in butter or margarine. Alright, let's give this a try. This, I think this is lemon chiffon cake. There's a hint of lemon. Also pretty nice. Dishes here are all pretty nice. The sad part is that not everything is available in the menu. So sometimes they may not got the dinuguan, or sometimes they may not got the palabok. But yeah, I can say you can try this place out. And it's pretty quiet. We are the only people dining in here right now. But I do see some people ordering some food for takeout. So yeah, we're gonna finish this food and then see you later on. Ma'am, pwede magtanong lang po, ma'am. Kung paano katagal na po naka-open tong Coolspot? 1945. Sino po may-ari nito?
Ang may-ari dati dito, matatanda na.
Natanda na. Opo.
Pero ngayon, yung namamahala ngayon, Amado Natividad.
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 Same may-ari po sa dati, hindi na po. Same din po. Thank you po. So, pretty nice restaurant. It's like stepping back through time. 1945 is when this restaurant has opened, and then it's still standing until now. So yeah, we can see there's some customers coming inside right now.
Thank you guys for watching, and if you'd like to try Coolspot, please come and support them. And I'll see you in the next food adventure.